As you know, we have completed the chapter first in NCERT books, but we have some important questions in RS Agrawal. Today we will discuss these questions. Question number 1: prove that 2x minus 1 plus 2x 2x plus 1 minus 2x is equal to 3 upon 2. First of all, take the LHS. 2x minus 1 plus 2 raised to power x over 2x plus 1 minus 2 raised to power x. Now 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power minus 1. We can write it plus 2 raised to power x is as it is, and it is the simplest 2x into 2 raised to power 1 minus 2 raised to power x. Now taking 2 raised to power x or 2 raised to power is common. 2 raised to power minus 1 plus there is a 1 over. Similarly, we take the 2 raised to power x common, 2 raised to power 1 and minus y. Now 2 raised to power x upon 2 raised to power x is cancelled. Here 2 raised to power minus 1, we can write the 1 upon 2 raised to power plus 1 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 1 is 2 minus 1. Now taking the LCM, 2 and 1, 2 is LCM, 2 1s are 1 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3 over 2 over 1. Now 3 upon 2 into 1, it means 3 over 2. This is the RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now we will do the next questions. Second questions. Prove that 1 upon 1 plus x raised to power a minus b plus 1 upon 1 plus x b minus a is equal to 1. Now taking the LHS, 1 upon 1 plus x raised to power a minus b plus 1 upon 1 plus x raised to power b minus a. Now 1 plus x raised to power a into x raised to power b. 1 upon x raised to power b into x raised to power minus a. Now 1 plus x raised to power a, x raised to power minus b, we can write x upon plus b. Similarly, 1 plus x raised to power b and x raised to power minus a, we can write the x raised to power plus a. Now taking the LCM, 1 over x raised to power b, x raised to power b plus x raised to power a plus 1 upon x raised to power a is LCM and x raised to power a plus x raised to power b. Now 1 upon this we can write the x raised to power b over x raised to power b plus x raised to power a, and x raised to power a upon x raised to power a plus x raised to power b. Now taking the again LCMs, x raised to power a plus x raised to power b, x raised to power a plus x raised to power b. Now LCM is x raised to power a plus x raised to power b. Now this is the simplest form, so we can write the x raised to power b plus x raised to power a. So This is the simplest forms. Now we can write 1. 1 is the RHSs. So we can say the LHS is equal to RHS. We will start to the third questions. Simplify x is to the power p upon x is to the power q whole powers p plus q. X is to the power q upon x is to the power r whole power q plus r. X is to the power r upon x is to the power p whole power r plus p. Now solve. Similarly, x and x base are same, so we can write x p minus q and p plus q is as it is, and x q minus r over q plus r, and x r minus p over r plus p. Now this is the x is to the power p minus q whole power p plus q. Now we can write p minus q into p plus q. Similarly, x q minus r q plus r, and x r minus p and r plus p. Here p minus q, p plus r. This is the form of a plus b, a minus b. Now we can write the a square minus b square. It means we can write p square minus q square. Similarly, q square minus r square and r square minus p square. Is that clear? Now base are same. In multiplication cases, powers will be added. Base will be 1 times p square minus q square plus q square minus r square plus r square minus p square. P square is positive and negative is cancelled. Q square negative positive cancel. R square negative positive cancel. So we can write 0, or x is to the power 0 means is 1. Value of this question is 1. Now move to the another question. Question number 4. If 125 raised to the power x is equal to 25 upon 5 raised to the power x, find the value of x. First of all, we have 125 raised to the power x is equal to 25 upon 5 raised to the power x. Now 125, simplify 125. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 25, 5 to the 25, and 5 on the 5. Now we can write the 125 in the form of p raised to the power 3 and whole power x. Now 20 in 25 we can write the 5 raised to the power 2 and 5 raised to the power x is as it is. Now we can write the 3 into x, 3x. Here is the x 5 raised to the power 2 and 5 raised to the power x. Both base are same. In divisible case we can write in subtractions. Okay. Now 5 raised to the power 3x is equal to 5 raised to the power 2.6. Comparing both sides. Comparing both sides, 3x is equal to 2 minus x. Now 3x is equal to minus x is transferred to there, will be positive, equal to 2. 3x plus 1x is equal to 4x is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2 over 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now the value of x is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Now solve the another question. 5. If x 5 raised to power x minus 2 into 3 raised to power 2x minus 3 is equal to 135. Find the value of x. Solve. We have 5x minus 2 into 3 2x minus 3 is equal to 135. Split 135. 5 2 is 10, 5 7 is 35, 3 9 is 3 3 is and 3 1 is. Now we can write the 135 with 5 into 3 raised to power 1 2 3. Now comparing the base, same base 5 and 5. Here is the power is 1. Okay. Now comparing both side, 5 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 5 raised to power 1. Now x minus 2 is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 plus 2, the value of x is equal to 3. Okay. Now moves to the question number 6. Prove that root x minus 1 into y, root y minus 1 into z, root z minus 1 into x is equal to what? Now taking the LHS, x is to power minus 1 y into y raised to power minus 1 z into z raised to power minus 1 into x. Now x is to power minus 1, we can write x is to power plus 1. Okay, here z upon y raised to power plus 1 into x over z raised to power plus 1. Now roots will be same. Now we can write y upon x into z upon y into x upon z. Now simplify the x to x, y to y and z to z. So answer is 1. Now we can write the y's. So LHS is 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay students,